Hi there, welcome back to Mr. Moneyphone. My name's Ryan and today I'll be showing you the top 5 most helpful Siri commands for entertainment. Number 5, finding a restaurant. Hey Siri, what restaurants are around me?
One option is Olive Garden on Scenic Highway North. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Okay. I can't call that location, or get directions. Which would you like?
Get directions.
Getting directions to Olive Garden.
Number 4, identifying a song. Hey Siri, what song is this?
Listening. This sounds like God Only Knows by the Beach Boys.
Number 3, getting sports information. Hey Siri, who are the Buccaneers playing?
The Buccaneers battle the Eagles in the NFC Wild Card Playoff on Sunday at 1 p.m.
Number 2, finding movie times. Hey Siri, give me movie times for Spider-Man.
Okay, I found this on the web for Give Me Movie Times for Spider-Man. Check it out.
And number 1, playing music. Hey Siri, play music.
Okay, here's a station just for you.
And those are the top 5 most helpful Siri commands for entertainment on the iPhone 13 Pro.